Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf.
Hej.
Yeah, so this is the 91. It's basically the same hull as the Askeladden 97. Same head with a real shower. And in this boat they have what I'm missing in the 97. Like you see, you have a big double bed here. And here you have one big double bed. And in the 97 you have the same here. But the big difference is you walk around here to the front. And it's an aft cabin in the back. So if they had put in this in the 97, it would have been the perfect boat, but this is basically this is exactly the same space as in the 97. The difference is that this mid cabin is in the aft cabin instead. So we have taken this away and added the aft cabin. Too bad.